In this video, we'll show you how to do the slip stitch. We're using Serdar Stories and you'll use the yarn and hook in your pattern. The slip stitch is a joining technique, joining your starting ring or when you're working in rounds. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a starting chain and joining it into a ring. So we want to take our chain and we're going to be working into the first stitch. So we take our hook, we go through the middle of that first stitch, and then to do our slip stitch, we yarn over our hook, twist our hook, rotate it down so it's caught the yarn and it's nice and easy to pull through, and then we're going to pull through both loops at once to join into our starting ring. So I'm going to take that out and I'm going to show you again. So I've got my chain and I'm going to work through the first stitch to create our ring. So through that first stitch, I'm going to yarn over, twist my hook down so it's nice and secure and pull through those two loops in one motion, creating our slip stitch. Practice until you're confident and then head to serdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.